How to get Bitget application on your iOS device. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you are an iPhone and curious about using the Bitget Wallet app, then first of all make sure that you connect your iOS to a stable internet, whether it is a Wi-Fi or mobile data. Next thing to do is to open up App Store. Now in the search bar, type in Bitget Wallet and search. Look for this application from Bitkeep Global Inc. and tap on the Get button. Authenticate with your Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple account's password to proceed with the download process. Now wait for the application to install on your device. It'll take a couple of minutes, depending upon your internet speed. Make sure that you download the official application. Check the logo, reviews, and developer name. Once the application is downloaded, click on the Open button to play open the app, and you have successfully downloaded and installed the Bitget Wallet app on your device. Now you can create a new wallet or restore your existing wallet once you end up in this homepage. So that's how you easily download the application on your device, especially on your iOS. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.